What's up, everybody? Welcome to SHARKNOMS, where we try random foods and we tell you about it. We go to the grocery store and say, let's pick up the weirdest thing we can and try it. And today's weird is brought to you by Welch's Fruit Puffs.
I'm super weirded out by this one.
Well, it says no artificial preservatives, kosher dairy, and no gluten. So, how...
Mom's approved.
Mom's approved. So then I've got multi-grain fruit puff Concord grape. What do you have?
I have the strawberry.
Well, it also says made with real fruit juice.
Ew.
I just don't listen. In my head, this is like the vegetable fries, right? Like that sounded okay. I don't know why, but I think in my head, like carrots and lettuce are a more natural progression to chips.
But those are like a savory thing. Like you throw some salt on it and it's fine. Like I could see that. This is like.
I'm not expecting much, but I don't know. It says on the back, Welch's multi-grain fruit puffs deliver a bold, delicious taste of real fruit in every bite. Made with Welch's Concord grapes, these delightfully crunchy puffs are bursting with flavor. Tasty anytime snacks that the whole family will love. Perfect on its own or add on top of cereals and yogurt.
Okay.
So, I'm thinking that when I open this up, it's not going to be what I think. I'm picturing purple cheese puffs.
I mean, what if they're like, you have your like freeze-dried fruits.
Right. Well, it might be more cereal-like, but look, even on the package, it looks like cheese puffs.
It
looks
does.
like these look like dark red cheese puffs.
But they kind of look like Fruity Pebbles a little bit.
All right, let's open them and get a smell test.
I'm so scared.
Well, I didn't expect it to be this hard. Jesus.
Oh my gosh. We need scissors.
There we go.
Just rip it in half.
You just got to get in there. Get in there. Jeez. All right.
You just screenshot my double chin on that one. It was real bad.
Smell test.
No.
It does not smell good.
Ew.
It does not. I don't even know how to explain how it smells. It smells bad. It smells like bad fruit, really. Oh, they're shiny. They look like hardened marshmallows.
Like turds.
This is not going to translate well on camera, but
I'm so scared.
they do not look good.
Like, why are they shiny?
I don't want to eat this. I'm going to be honest with you. I legit don't want to eat this.
Just close your eyes and put it in your mouth.
I can't stop smelling. Dude. Okay, here we go. Just
All right.
deep breath.
3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't hate it.
Oh, they taste...
They're really dry, though.
What do they taste like? They taste like something.
Like rice cakes.
No, but in your mouth, they feel like cheese puffs.
Yeah, kind of.
They've got that styrofoamy... I mean, the way it tastes, I can actually see it being on cereal. Here, trade me. Maybe yours are better. We were excited when we started this series. We thought, oh, we'll have extra snacks laying around all the time. We haven't done anything yet that I want to eat.
Oh, these smell better than those do.
Oh, I don't know that I want
Those
to
are
hear
really
that.
gross. I legit wanted to gag when I smelled it.
I just keep eating them. I don't know.
Okay, those weird me out more, though.
They taste like cereal, actually. That's what it is.
The grape ones are better, I think.
They taste like Captain Crunch a little bit, but like Diet Captain Crunch.
Yeah.
There you go. That's my review. Diet Captain Crunch.
I can see how they could be addicting, though. If you just kind of, like, eat one and you're like, okay, it's not bad, and then you just keep eating it.
I'm not kidding you. I want to put them in milk. It tastes like a super watered down Captain Crunch.
They're super dry. Like, you definitely need milk with it.
Thumbs down.
I feel like I could just poof dust out of my mouth right now.
So thumbs up or thumbs down?
I will not buy you.
Do not recommend. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.